Well, let's take a look at red lentils. We haven't looked at red lentils for quite some time, and the reason is red lentils are quite boring actually. Last couple of years, they haven't been that exciting. It's very difficult to provide accurate analysis on. To do that, we'll look at the Klarenbach Special Crops Report section of the members area, and you can see all the different crops that we cover here. Here's red lentils right below pinto beans. If you're a pinto bean grower, give me a call, and I will give you an analysis on that also. But here we are, red lentils, and you can see that we are neutral across all our time frames. We're neutral on the 1 to 2 week, all the way up to the 4+ week. And the reason why is where the price is trading. So we had our take profit price target at 35 cents back in January. We published it. It triggered. So our sell signal at 35 cents happens to be 8% above the average price for the year, which is 32.5 cents. So if you took advantage of that, you're 2.5 cents above the market. That's what we try to do. We want to be ahead of the market. This here is the long-term price chart, and this yellow line represents the average. It's the average trend line from that period of time. Let's go back to 1999, I think it is. So take a look at this here. We're back. This trend line is actually fascinating to me, because take a look at this. And again, I don't think any lentil buyers are looking at this. There's at least one, but not very. I don't think very many are looking at this on a worldwide scale. Take a look how this has acted as resistance, acted as support, resistance, support, resistance, support again. Now we're back down trading below that long-term average price. So that's really interesting. So we can see that, we're below the average price. We've had this reversion to the mean consistently, and we haven't traded below this trend line for like 4 years. It's probably time to start trading below that average price trend line. And seeing the current price is just a bit over 30 cents, 32 cents is my KPI. Maybe we start trading below 30 cents for the next several years. We'll see what happens. This is our weekly chart, and again, we had our sell signal. We actually cut pretty close to the top with our take profit price target. If you got higher than that, great. That's excellent marketing on your part. And maybe you got, I don't know how high it went actually, 36 cents maybe. But regardless, the price has had a sell-off since then. We're back down trading below the moving averages. I think it's going, the 30-cent level is going to be very important. There's a fib level of 31. But maybe we come back down, test this area of previous resistance, highlighted by the green rectangle. And we talked about that from back here in 2022, that retest of this previous resistance level, and we got it. Maybe it's over. Maybe we see a rally from here, but we're below these moving averages. We're not getting a real strong direction of the trend. I think if we break below 30, that'll be a psychologically strong number. And I'm not sure it'll stop at 28, 29 cents. Below that level, my next level is that 24.5 cents a pound. So I'm not sure where the new crop prices are. I think they're high 20s, but just be aware that if we break below 30, keep an eye on this 24, 25 cent level. I think the prices could get there if we break below 30 cents a pound. My name is Trent Klarenbach. It's sunny in Saskatoon. Life's good.